Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. For this video, we will start the discussion on percent as part of the whole. This topic is divided into 3 and this is the first part, which is solving for the percentage. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. For the discussion, we will be using the general equation shown. Part is equal to percent times whole. This equation can also be represented as percentage, P, is equal to base, B, times rate, R. For this discussion we will primarily use the second equation. Because of this equation, there can be 3 possible scenarios or cases depending on what is being asked. Here are the 3 cases. The first one is when the percentage, P, is missing. The second one is when the base, B, is missing, while the third and last one is when the rate is missing. We will only be discussing the first case in this episode. This is when we will look for the percentage. In this lesson, as with the other 2 cases, we will need to translate phrases into mathematical equations. As a review, recall that there are some words that provide us clues as to what operations or mathematical symbols are being described. In this discussion, the common clue words that we need to familiarize ourselves with are the following. Is, or, are, means there is an equal sign. Of, means that the operation is multiplication. What, implies that it is the unknown variable that we are looking for. Let's place n as our variable. Also, please take note when solving percent problems, always convert the percent to decimal before solving. That is, move 2 decimal places to the left and drop the percent symbol. We are now ready to solve for the percentage. Let's go. As mentioned, this case is when percentage is missing and we will be solving for it. Let's name this unknown as n. Let's look at this example. What is 75% of 20? Here, what translates to our unknown percentage, is, implies an equal sign, 75%, is our rate, of, translates multiplication, and lastly, 20 is our base. With this, we get the mathematical equation, n equals 75% times 20. Next, convert 75% to its decimal form, 0.75. Lastly, we multiply 0.75 to 20. We get n equals 15. With this, we say that 15 is 75% of 20. We move on to another example. What is 5% of 60? Following the previous example, we need to first convert this to a mathematical equation. Here, what is our unknown n, is, translates to an equal sign, 5% is our rate, of, implies multiplication, and lastly, 60 is our whole. With this, we get the mathematical equation, n equals 5% times 60. We then convert 5% to its decimal form, which is 0.05. After, we multiply 0.05 to 60 and we get n equals 3. We can say that 3 is 5% of 60. Since we have thoroughly discussed solving for percentage, let us try to expound our knowledge by answering this practice set. You have 1 minute to answer each item. Good luck. Number 1. What is 15% of 120? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 18. The mathematical equation for this is n equals 15% by 120. Converting 15% to 0.15 and multiplying it to 120, we obtain the value of n, which is 18. With this, we say that 18 is 15% of 120. Number 2. What is 102% of 150? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 153. The mathematical equation for this is n equals 102% by 150. We convert 102% to 1.02. Multiply 1.02 to 150 and we get n equals 153. We say that 153 is 102% of 150. Number 3. What is 0.9% of 5,600? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 50.4. Translating this phrase to a mathematical equation, we get n equals 0.009 by 5,600. Same with the previous items, we convert 0.9% to its decimal form, which is 0.009. We then multiply this to 5,600. We get n equals 50.4. We can now say that 0.9% of 5,600 is 50.4. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.